In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can make money in the easiest way possible without actually having any experience or any knowledge at all. And guys, you can do this job by anywhere. You just need your laptop and internet connection and start doing one of the easiest jobs. And still you have plenty of free time to enjoy for yourself. You are going to set this up and earn like you are working in a full-time job, but yet you are just going to work for 1 hour, 2 hours, and earn like a real pro. Now, if you want to learn all of the details and understand how you can set this up, you need to watch the full video, and then in the end, you will be capable of doing this by yourself. Now guys, before I show you those details, first I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel but also turn on notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to the website that I am going to reveal to you the other people that are making money using this method, and you are going to do the same as them. And that website is called 5squid.com. Now let me give you some explanation first. What is this website? Because probably you have never heard before about it. So here you can work as a freelancer and find different freelancer jobs. In fact, you can buy, sell, or request different services starting over from $5, which means that if you're going to work here, your minimum payment is going to be for only one service, $5. Now imagine getting more than one request per day. It means that you are going to earn thousands of dollars per month. Now guys, here we are not going to buy anything or sell anything. Neither we are going to request any service. Here we are going to join this program and work as a freelancer. And I'm going to show you what particular job you are going to do, because here you can find a bunch of different services. No, we are not going to do anything difficult because, as I promised to you at the beginning of this video, we are going to concentrate on something that doesn't require experience or knowledge at all. So something that you can be capable of doing without having any need to have knowledge or experience. If you go over to the 4 dots over here, you're going to check out all of the categories of 5squid. Like you have graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, music and audio, video animation, programming and tech, business and advertising, and the other options over here. Now guys, we are not going to concentrate in neither of these categories. But if you have any knowledge or any experience on any of these categories, then feel free to become part of them and earn money. But if you don't, then continue watching this video because I'm going to show you how you can do a particular job which doesn't require any knowledge or experience too. And that is called Your Message On. So click on this and I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. Now guys, with this job, you are going to earn as much as people earn in other countries by working in a full-time job. So you are going to earn like you're working full-time job, but you are going to do this for at least 1 hour per day. And that job is called Your Message On. Now, as you can see, a lot of people offer this service and they earn different money, starting over from $5 to $10, $20, even over to $50. You can put the price to yourself as much as you want to. Now, let me explain a little bit what is this work. If you open one of these services, you're going to check out that this person offers this particular service in which he says that he's going to write you a text on a snow-covered car and send you a high-resolution HD image of it. Now guys, this is really easily, and I'm going to show you a program that you can do this without actually having the skills of editing. You're going to do that with the help of a particular website that I'm going to reveal to you really soon. So basically, you're going to do this job and you're going to get paid. And as you can see, this person has got many orders too. and he's offering this service for $5. Now guys, if you go over to hitamil.com, here you're going to check out that you can create these types of editing using Einstein, Uncle Sam, and Quaker too. Now what you will have to do is just click one of this. So we are going to take the first one. As you can see, you are going to write down over here whatever you want to, and I'm going to give you an example. And as you can see, I have writing something like hello, and then you are going to type change the image, and as you can see, the words have been put in on the blackboard. Now you just have to click with the right hand and you are going to check the save image as. So in this way you are going to save this image on your desktop, and then you are going to give the order to the person that is going to require to you. Because guys, as you can see, a lot of people want this service, and you have ready for you on this website in which you don't have to do anything hard. So everything will be done from this website. And as you can see, this person over here, which I got as an example, has got many orders till now. Imagine how many money is he making. So what you will have to do is just one simple thing. You just have to write down whatever you want to, and then you are just going to save the image to your desktop, and then you are going to give it to your clients. Just as easy as that, you are going to finish the job and you are going to put in the order. Now guys, you can do the same thing to Uncle Sam and the other picture too, and you are going to give it to your clients and sell it. So what you will have to do is join and create an account for free. You can do that by just putting an email and click on the continue button. And as soon as you do that, you can offer your service over here by putting all of the things that you are capable of doing with that website that I showed to you. Now guys, another thing that you should have in your mind is there exists some other websites too, freelancer websites, which you can do this, and I would totally recommend to you to combine as many websites as possible, so in this way you will have many income and you can earn double more money. So go over to Fiverr.com and you are going to check out that they offer you the possibility to put this service over there, and you are going to get a lot of people requiring you to do this job. As you can see, a lot are offering this for $5, but you can put whatever price you want to. Now guys, despite Fiverr, in which you have to join and become part to it in order to post this, you have also people per hour, and even here you are going to do this job and earn money. So whatever you decide, you have it in your hands. You can only do it to 5 squid, or you can become part of Fiverr and people per hour too and have more possibility to earn more money. But this won't take you any time, won't require you any experience, and you can do it really quickly and really fast. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.